Want to ditch the back and forth emails and let your website visitors book appointments with you directly? Let's embed Calendly into your Framer site in under 90 seconds. First, head over to your Calendly account and find the event type you want to embed. Click on Share, then select Add to Website. Choose the Inline Embed option for a seamless look within your page. Now, copy the code snippet provided. Now, jump into your Framer project. Click the Insert menu on the top left and search for Embed. Drag and drop the Embed component onto your canvas where you want the calendar to appear. With the Embed component selected, paste the Calendly code snippet into the code box on the right-hand side Properties panel. And just like that, your Calendly calendar is now embedded in your Framer website. Adjust the size and position of the Embed component as needed to perfectly fit your design. Publish your site, and your visitors can now schedule appointments directly through your website. Seamless, professional, and time-saving.